Hi everyone, so this is my 5-step how to get a Christmas ready, radiant and hydrating skin for maybe your Christmas party or maybe an event or maybe for your photo shoots which are lined up on the year end. So the 5 steps are organized more on the medical aspects, keeping their benefits in mind. At the same time, if you follow these 5, you will get a very radiating face and a very, a shiny and a bouncy and a healthy looking skin. So the first trick is to use a gentle cleanser, but the tip is to use an exfoliating with it. So exfoliant means it may have alpha hydroxy acid like glycolic acid, or it may have a beta hydroxy acid like a salicylic acid. So you can pick up cleansers with these exfoliating beads in it, which actually help to give you that smoothened look because it exfoliates this superficial kind of a skin, and that's how the skin looks unclogged and more smooth to begin with. So your first step is done with an exfoliating cleanser. The market has many brands which make these kind of bead involved face cleansers, so you can always pick them up. Second, I want you to use a hydrating mask. Now, how does a hydrating mask post the face wash help? Is that it gives you that plumper look. It gives you that bouncy and hydrated kind of a look. So use a sheet mask with hydrating agents maybe for 10 minutes post your face wash, and it gives you that little dewy, a little hydrated plump look, which I really love. The third is you can use post the face mask, of course, you can use a vitamin C serum. Now, vitamin C serum, or you can even use an illuminating cream or maybe a strobe cream, or it works like a shimmer to the face. It works like, okay, the face is nice and hydrated, but now we want to add that gloss and the shimmer. So the strobe cream, even vitamin C brightening serums are available. You can use illuminating cream, and they actually set in and gives that gloss in front of the lights which you are going to face, or maybe even the night festivities. When the light falls on the skin, your face really shines out, and you would love that. The fourth is lock in the moisture of the skin, because harsh lights during the day or at night, if your face is in front of the cameras or maybe the lights, it will definitely dry off. So lock in the moisture with a simple layer of moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid, it locks the moisture inside. So my fourth tip after your strobe cream or illuminating cream will be to lock it up with a moisturizer. And fifth is to use a primer based sunscreen in the morning. So morning shoots, use a primer with an SPF, like a sunscreen SPF or higher SPF, so that you have that entire finished look, but yet you also have the sunscreen in hand. And at night, of course, you don't have to use the sunscreen, but you can always use a primer as a base. So you know that the face is clean. Then you have the vitamin C as an antioxidant there. You have the illuminator. Your skin is not getting dry because of the moisturizer, and post that you can use the primer to cover it up. These 5 steps are well tested and tried. They give you a very nice finished look for your festivities and the Christmas party which you are planning to attend. I hope this was informative, and if you really like, then share, like, subscribe to my channel. And this is Dr. Parul. Happy New Year to each one of you.